video, you can learn about frequency adverbs. As we all know, with the present simple, we often use adverbs of frequency to say how often we do something. Here's a list of common adverbs: always, frequently, generally, hardly, ever, infrequently, never, normally, occasionally, often, rarely, regularly, seldom, sometimes, and usually. We usually put these adverbs in the middle of the sentence, between the subject and the verb. For example, I often go to the cinema. When we take this sentence into consideration, we can see that we have put the adverb often in the middle of the sentence between the subject and the verb. It is very clear fact that the subject of this sentence is I and the verb of the sentence is go. So, we have put the adverb often in the middle of the sentence between the subject and the verb. Next one is she sometimes visits me at home. We usually drink coffee. We can also put them at the very beginning or end of the sentence. This makes them stronger. For example, often I go to the cinema, or I go to the cinema often. But we can't say that I go often to the cinema. That's wrong. Here are some other expressions we can use to say how often. All of these longer phrases go at the beginning or the end of the sentence, but not in the middle. First one is once in a while. I go to the cinema once in a while. Or once in a while, I go to the cinema. Second one is every now and again. She drinks wine every now and again. Third one, from time to time. From time to time, I visit my mother. To say how often something happens, you can use a number or several or many followed by times. If the number is 1, use once instead of one time. If the number is 2, use twice instead of two times. Then add a period of time. For example, I go to the cinema twice a week. She takes these tablets 3 times a day. I change the sheets once a fortnight. I meet him several times a year. I visit my grandparents once a month. Fortnight means 2 weeks. We can also use every plus period of time. For examples, every morning, every day, every Tuesday, every week, every month. Keep in mind a day of the week with S at the end. For example, on Tuesdays means the same as every Tuesday. For example, I take a dance class on Wednesdays. I relax on Sundays means I relax every Sunday. I take a dance class every Wednesday. Thanks for watching.